A driver in Beijing is exchanging his electric vehicle's spent battery for a fresh one at a battery swapping station. Centers like this one are becoming more and more popular as an alternative for new energy vehicles looking to power up. Much like an oil change facility, cars drive onto an hydraulic lift. The dead battery drops down and a fully charged one replaces it, all in a matter of minutes. For a monthly fee of about $125, the driver says the convenience and price can't be beat.
我们家充电桩是更是很难。
It is difficult to install a charging pile at my home, so I decisively gave up on buying cars that need charging. I bought a battery swapping EV.
Battery swapping facilities have become so popular, in fact, the Chinese automakers are starting to sell cars without batteries in them at all. According to the CEO of Neo Auto, batteryless cars are really taking off.
从去年到现在
Since last year, we see more and more new users have accepted this service model. The proportion of users who rent batteries has exceeded those who buy batteries. More than 50% of our users have chosen the battery rental model.
Currently, Neo is working with China's petroleum giant Sinopec to build a network of battery swapping facilities at traditional gas stations across the country.